Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to download Visual Studio Code. So first of all, open the browser, go to the Visual Studio Code website, go to the download option, and here I have multiple options according to the operating system. I have to download Windows operating system, and so it take few minutes in the download as per your speed of your network. So I already downloaded, so I have to go to installation, double click on it, run, accept the license, go next, create icon on the desktop, go next, and install. Finish, and it launch automatically. So we have installed Visual Studio Code. Thank you for the watching this video. Stay with us.